Ready to unlock a world of automated efficiency by connecting your Wati WhatsApp Business API to thousands of apps? Let's dive right into connecting Zapier to Wati. First, head over to Zapier and click on the Create Zap button. Now, in the Trigger section, search for Wati. Once you find it, select it. Next, choose a trigger event. Common choices include new message or contact added. Select what works best for you and click Continue. You'll now be prompted to connect your Wati account. Click Connect a new account. This will usually require your Wati API key. You can find this key in your Wati dashboard under the API settings. Jump over to your Wati account, find the API key. It's usually under Settings or API Access. Copy this key to your clipboard. Back in Zapier, paste the API key into the designated field, then click Yes. Continue to authorize the connection between Zapier and Wati. Now that Wati is connected, it's time to set up the action step. This is where you choose what happens after the trigger occurs in Wati. Search for any app like Google Sheets and pick the action you want to automate. Configure the action details, like which sheet to use. If you picked Google Sheets, Zapier will guide you through mapping data from Wati to the appropriate fields in the selected app. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working smoothly. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. You've now successfully connected Wati to Zapier, automating your workflows and boosting efficiency.